All right, so this is my Project $2,000 CLK 500, and the leather is kind of rough. This tan leather from Mercedes from the 2000s just that never looks really good. So I've tried other stuff, but this Sonax seems to work the best. So I'm gonna do half of it with the Sonax. So it says apply to a brush. Okay, work it in. I actually bought their brush. So I think it needs. See. So it's worked on that half that's smooth, but this crackly perforated stuff, I'm gonna try it a little more. You can see the cracks in the leather. It's better, but it's definitely not good enough in my book for how I like my cars to look. But I don't know how much better you could do with this leather. It seems like the leather's damaged. So, not sure if I spend more time I could get rid of what's in these cracks. It definitely looks better, but these seats are so far gone that, man, it doesn't look... I'm looking at the camera and that looks really dirty, but when I look at it, it doesn't. It's interesting. All right, so I'd say I'd recommend this stuff. When it's made in Germany, it just seems to do a little better on the cleaning products, especially the metal polishes I use. I'll shoot some videos of those later.